Hello 583 students, I wanted to take a couple minutes to talk you through the course schedule. You'll see on here each of the modules and their main topics, and then the major assignments that are due with their due dates. Please remember you should check the course site several times each week, not just on the day that any assignment is due. You can always turn and work in early, however late work may not be accepted, and on the syllabus it states that anything later than 48 hours will be assigned a grade of 0. So please do make sure that you turn things in on time and are monitoring the course site so that you can tell exactly when some of your assignments are due. So in Module 1, we're going to be doing an introduction, also talking about and centering ourselves around education in the United States. Your major assignment due is, for points, is the intro survey. You also have text and multimedia responses that are due throughout the module, and those are always going to be outlined in the module task list for each module with the specific due dates of when those are due. Second module is comparative education as a field. We'll be reading quite a bit of the textbook in this module, so do make sure that you have your textbook purchased by the beginning of this module. You'll have readings assigned as well as text and multimedia responses. No major assignments outside of the text and multimedia responses. Module 3, Education Around the World. This is when you'll be exploring one specific country education system and doing a multimedia project for that, as well as looking at your peers and learning about some countries that I identify and share with you as well. Due date for that multimedia project is the 20th of February. Our next module is around international benchmarks and assessments. So thinking about some of those big assessments, what they are, how we use them, how others use them, whether the big questions of whether or not we should even use those assessments to help us think about education and how our education compares to others around the world. Again, text and multimedia responses there. Module 5, Global Education, and that module includes spring break, And then Module 5, which includes Easter, so there are a couple of days a break there as well. With Global Education Issues, this is when you identify a specific issue of education that you're interested in and explore it around the world through a comparative education annotated bibliography. And there is a rubric associated with that, and there will be screen captures and lots of more conversation as we get closer to that assignment. And then the final module for the class is Module 6, which is the big debates in education today, global education today. You'll be exploring some journals, doing your book study, and final reflection there as well. And your final projects here, your book multimedia project is due on the 24th of April. Your end of course surveys due that day as well, and then your final paper and book questions associated with that are due the week after the last. That's pretty much exam week, so the last little bit of school. If you have any questions about any of the assignments or any of this kind of overview of the course, please know that there will be individual screen captures and assignment information for each of these assignments in the course information folder. And I will make announcements when those are available as well. If you have any questions, though, in the meantime, and want to talk about any of these things in more detail, please don't hesitate to let me know. Thank you.